बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम टू शेफ फूड चैनल। व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक होंगे। आज हम बना रहे हैं स्विस रोल इजी रेसिपी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। बेसिकली ये स्नैक्स के तौर पर यूज़ किया जाता है। सबसे पहले हमें लेने हैं एग्स। 375 ग्राम एग लेने हैं हमने और उसको हमने बीट करना है। बहुत ज़्यादा बीट करना है यहाँ तक कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लफ़ी हो जाएंगे। देन क्रिस्टल शुगर 190 ग्राम ऐड करनी है। क्रिस्टल शुगर जो बेसिक शुगर होती है हमने ऐसी की ऐसी 190 ग्राम्स डालनी है। हमने उसका पाउडर नहीं बनाना। वी डोंट हैव टू मेक पाउडर ऑफ द शुगर and then beat well until it gets fluffy in nature, and we will tell you not in the complete video but some parts after almost 7 to 8 minutes of beating, continuous beating, we get the following type of mixture of egg and crystal sugar via continuous beating. As you can see in the video, it gets double in its size due to beating. Still you will see a lot of difference and a lot of changes. Still we are beating it almost, I think so, 10 to 12 minutes of continuous beating is required. Then we will add fine flour and corn flour mix in this 110 grams and 40 grams, and then it is folded like this in a continuous manner with soft hands. I have skipped the basic video and so many parts have been skipped over here just to avoid a long boring video. So I must tell you, a very small quantity of the powder is added because adding a large quantity will make clumps in it. So you have to be very careful about this. So guys, till we are mixing it with soft hands, subscribe to our channel Chef Food for more recipes, for more beautiful videos as baking, continental Pakistani cuisine, Indian cuisine, Chinese, and every type of cuisine is prepared and cooked for you people according to your comments, according to your wishes. So subscribe to our channel. Okay, then in a tray, baking tray, I have greased it and then put it the butter paper, and now I am putting the mold mixture over here. Half of the mold mixture will be added. It's enough. इस तरीके से हम इसको डालेंगे और अब हम इसको करेंगे बेक. So now bake at 180 to 190 degrees for 10 minutes, and now it is like this. Now we take the whipped cream and beat it very well until it gets fluffy, and now we are spreading it over the top of the mold or cake what we have prepared after baking, and now we are folding it like this. It is well rolled like available in the bakeries, as you can see. Now we are stiffing it with a stick. So basically it is ready, but you can decorate it like putting the whipped cream over it and then cut it into small pieces. And our Swiss food recipe is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do like me and subscribe me. Give me a good comment. I will meet you in my next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned to our channel Chef Food.